Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Oppo A18, and now I'm gonna show you how to resolve the problem when screen is not respond. To do it, you just need to press and hold together power and volume up buttons until you will see the Oppo logo on your screen. Great. When you will see the Oppo logo on your screen, you can release both of keys. So what is this? Of course, it will not help you if you will damage your screen, and after damaging, after broken screen, or after smartphone fallen. So it will not help you to return the screen sensitivity, screen sensor workability using this method. No, this method can help you all in situations when just UI of the Oppo device has freezed. So after this, force restart can help you. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.